So I was wondering why you think that God is a better grounding than something just like well-being or facts about our biology or psychology, I guess. Like, why can't goodness just be a fact about the natural world, I guess, rather than something supernatural or having to be grounded in God?
Oh, yeah, good question. Well, the question is, whose well-being? Our well-being or the Nazi well-being?
Well, I guess human well-being, just as far as, so like our health, our happiness, I guess, and that.
Right, but you see, that presupposes that human beings are valuable, and it presupposes that there is some sort of moral value to health. Why think that? Who said? I mean, if Hitler comes along and he says, I want to make my Aryan race superior by killing you and taking all your stuff, why is that wrong?
Well, they would believe that that is, well, and it would maybe be something that satisfies them, but it's not for obviously the people that they're harming. Like there are people that are being harmed in that.
But why
so
is
I
it
guess
wrong to harm people if there's no God? Why should I be consistent with the golden rule when I can take care of myself and take care of my family? Or let me use Stalin, who did that.
Yeah.
By killing a whole bunch of people to get what I wanted, and then I could die peacefully on my deathbed at the age of 74 with everything I wanted materially in life, taking care of my family. Why is Stalin wrong if there's no God?
I would say that it would just be rationally inconsistent. I guess like I could see if he knew that doing that would lead to a life that was good for him. I just don't see how he would have like known that for sure. I guess it just seems like the safest road to living a good life or a happy life would just be one of concern and being kind to others in general. It seemed like that would
right,
just
but
be
now you're importing a moral law into this system, right? If it's not irrational for Stalin to say, if I can get power and kill everybody that gets in my way so I can get what I want, that's not irrational. That's rational.
Going back to the golden rule thing, it's like there's like a rational consistency element in that where it's like, well, okay, so you wouldn't want that done to you sort of a thing, so why expect...
No, I understand that, but if Stalin can get away with doing evil to others but not have anybody do evil to him, why should he not do evil to others to get what he wants?
I just would doubt that he would know that he could get away with that, I guess, is the...
People get away with it all the time.
Well, they do, but I think that's...
So if he does get away with it, is that okay?
No. So I would say that...
Here's the problem.
Yeah.
I haven't seen any way to get an ought from nature. You can get an is from nature, but you can't get an ought from nature, not physical nature. You don't get morality from biology.